In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create SIP calculator in Microsoft Excel. Open a new Excel workbook and set up a simple, clean layout so your calculator is easy to use. In column A, create a small list of labels for the inputs you'll control. Type monthly SIP amount on one row, expected annual return percent on the next, and time period years on the next. Keeping these labels in one column makes the sheet readable and reduces mistakes later. Next, move to the cells directly to the right in column B and enter your inputs. In the cell beside monthly SIP amount, type the amount you plan to invest every month. In the cell beside expected annual return, enter the yearly return as a percentage, for example, 12%. Format this cell as percentage if Excel doesn't automatically do it, so dividing by 12 later works cleanly. In the cell beside time period, type the number of years you'll invest. Whole years are fine, but you can also use decimals if needed. Now let's apply the SIP formula to calculate the maturity value, which is the future value of your monthly investments. Below your inputs, add a label like maturity value in column A, and in the cell next to it in column B, enter the FV function. Assuming your monthly amount is in B1, your annual return in B2, and your years in B3, type add seats FV B2 12, B3 12, B1 0, 0. Here's what each part means. B2 divided by 12 converts the annual rate to a monthly rate. B3 times 12 converts years to total months. The negative sign before B1 follows Excel's cash flow convention, so the result appears as a positive amount. The fourth argument, 0, assumes there's no initial lump sum. The last 0 treats each monthly SIP as happening at the end of the month, which is a common assumption. If your contributions happen at the start of the month, change the last 0 to 1. To understand how much you actually put in, calculate the total invested amount. Add a label for it, and beside that type H plus B1, B3, 12. This multiplies your monthly contribution by the total number of months. Finally, compute your total profit, which is the gain over what you invested. Add a label for total profit, and in the cell next to it, enter EL maturity value cell, total invested cell. Format your currency cells for clarity and consider using borders or shading to separate inputs from results so you can update the numbers anytime without touching the formulas. That's it. You now have a clear, flexible SIP calculator in Excel that updates instantly as your plan changes.